Hello, this is Antonina Gear of Simplistic Financials, and welcome. Well, today is Financially Savvy Friday, and my financially savvy tip today is coming from a question that I get quite a bit, and that is how to keep your business and personal finances separate. First thing I want to talk about with that is that the IRS really frowns upon business owners or entrepreneurs commingling funds. And what I mean is keeping all your business and personal stuff in one pot. The IRS doesn't like that. And actually, when you do that, that's one sign to them that you're not really running a business, but you're running a hobby. And therefore, if they determine it as such, as you're running a hobby, then you're not entitled to a lot of the tax deductions that you can get as an entrepreneur or a small business owner. So that's the first thing I want you to think about. So the tips I want to share with you of how to keep your business and personal finance separate are these, excuse me. Number one is to have a separate checking account, okay? A separate checking account for your business where all payments and all expenses funnel through that one account. This keeps you organized, it's less confusing, and then it makes the tax time or tax season that less stressful if you can just go straight to your business bank account statements and show your accountant or tax preparer all the expenses and income that have funneled through your business, okay? Number two is to also, if you can, get a debit or credit card attached to that one business checking account so that everything you do is done with this one credit card, okay, or debit card. Nothing else. All business expenses are on that card so that you have a record of everything that you spent, everything that's come in to your business, okay? Again, this helps you to keep organized. It keeps things a lot clearer. You have a much more clearer picture of what's happened in your business through a year's time, okay? Number three is to keep really good and accurate records. I know this is just something that most business owners, especially women entrepreneurs, don't like to do. But actually keeping good and accurate records is a mandate from the IRS. That's another thing that they look at to determine if you're actually running a business or a hobby. So keep really good and accurate records. So that means, keep all your business receipts separate from your personal. Keep it in some sort of file or filing system where you can actually go to it quickly and pull it out when necessary or when you need it for your accounting purposes with your tax preparer or your CPA or things of that nature, okay? So again, that is keep really good accurate records of receipts, any documentation that proves your mileage for business purposes, such as going to coaching sessions, seeing clients, going to training that's used to help your business, things of that nature. And my last tip is to get legalized. And what I mean by that is to set your business up as an LLC or some sort of other legal entity like S Corp or C Corp. But you must talk to your attorney or your CPA or someone with that type of knowledge to see what's the best thing for you to do. Me personally, I have an LLC for my business, but that may not work for you or it may not work for someone else. That's why it's good to get legal advice or advice from a CPA to see what's the best course of action for you to take to legalize your business, because some have better tax advantages than others, okay? So that's all I have for you on how to keep your business and personal finances separate. If you have any more questions regarding this or have any small business finance questions that you need answers to, feel free to send an email to askantonina@simplisticfinancials.com. Also, feel free to go to my website at www.simplisticfinancials.com and click on the blog tab. We have a blog where I share tons of information to help keep business finance simple for you in your entrepreneurial journey. And of course, these tips also help you to make more money and to keep more of the money that you earn in your business. And also, while you're there, feel free to join my weekly e-zine or newsletter where I share simple small business finance tips, all to help you get in the know and stay in the know of the numbers in your business for the purposes of keeping more of the money you earn in your business and growing more money. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Have a blessed day.